Hey guys, it's time for another lock review. I realized that I haven't done one in so long, and my birthday is coming up, so I decided to do a wee twist for my birthday. But I also realized that December 14th is gonna make my locks 3 years anniversary, and I'm looking at the difference from maybe 6 months in when they started to get locked, and now this is ridiculous. So that is 3 years worth of growth. Honestly, I'm happy because I'm not doing anything for my hair at all. Like, I don't use no products, none of that. So I'm excited. And also, for my birthday, since I'm doing a wee twist, I decided to do something a little different, because as you can see here, like sort of can see, but this is super accurate. My hair is changing color naturally. It's getting to that brownish color. So I decided, of course, I'm gonna dye them that color. This is my first time using that brand. I don't know anything about dyeing because last time I did it to my hair, it flopped. So I decided to try again. But this one, I'm just gonna do it a color that it's already turning into. So I'm not doing much, like anything big. So first step is to start to interlock them. So as you can see right now, there's a lot of there's a lot of growth right now, and the side is looking ridiculous. Let's start the process. Hey, it's Cassjcass, and welcome back to my channel. Let's catch up. Subscribe for more. Hey guys, so I didn't show much with my hair, but my hair is basically done. As you can see, just from the front, like, huge difference. And in the back as well. I'm not sure if I mentioned that already, but when I did go 6 months, I did notice there was a lot of length. So as they're growing, now I'm seeing them more like on the ends. So I can't wait, like when my hair like maybe gets to this point, I would cut them off like to my shoulder. So I can't wait to do that, because I did find myself cutting quite a bit, because, like, for example, I did find myself cutting quite a bit because the length, it's stuck on there, like, as you can see. I don't like my hair being dirty. So I truly despise this process. So but yeah, so I'm done with my hair. As you can see, like, the color is very vibrant right now. So that's the same color I'm gonna be using, which is this one. That's the hair that I showed earlier. So I did get two because I'm like, I'm gonna leave it as long as possible because I'm not putting any bleach in it. I know that it probably already has bleach, but it's not the same thing as bleaching my hair, just for that. So I'm supposed to test it for 48 hours before using it, but I'm not gonna do that. Let's get started. So he has the color activator, which I'm pretty sure that's like bleach in their language. So don't quote me on that because I don't know anything about dyeing hair. But we have this one, which is number 2, and then it comes with moisturizing mask number 3, and number 1, which is the color itself. Caramel brown is what it is. So, an instruction. So I'm gonna go and mix these, I believe 1 and 2. So the process is very simple. All you do is just, remove this, and then take number 1 and just pour it on number 1. Well, yeah, into number 2. Okay. And after that, you shake. Last time I attempted to do it, I took this out first, not knowing, so it, made it a bit hard for me, but I'm learning. So now you just shake. So since I'm doing 2, I already mixed that one. I'm just shaking them together, that way I don't waste time. I think they are ready. Honestly, I just shake until I couldn't shake anymore. So now let's see. Oh, I have these. Okay. Now my hair is ready. So I'm gonna do like this one side, one for one side, one for the other side. Let's see. I'm gonna start with the scalp and then work my way out. So alright, I'm gonna be putting this on and wait. They said to wait for 20 minutes, but I'm gonna wait longer. I got some things to do, so I'm gonna go do that. Cause I don't wanna take no chances, honestly. So I'm gonna be waiting for maybe 30 to 45 minutes and then go wash it. Okay, so let's do that. I think it is done. I'm about to go wash now and see how it comes out. Honestly, I don't know I don't know what to do. I feel like this is another flap, honestly, because like feedbacks that I've gotten is that the top of my head looked really brown, and then the back, honestly, like you can see a difference from before and after. It just like it's not what I was looking for, you know. So I just see. Like I can see the difference, like it's evident. It's just that I thought or I expected it to be lighter, but maybe, you know, maybe I should go again to it, like maybe in like 2-3 months I should go back to trying it again. Like you can see it, it just not what I was expecting. But overall, I'm glad this is done. I guess if I were to try it again, I'll try a different color, or brighter, because they do have like a blonde color. I don't know, honestly, I don't know, but I may or may not try it again. I guess this is my almost 3-year update. My hairs are looking really nice, and I'm also, you know, there's also difficulties. There's always pros and cons with them. maybe I should make a video of pros and cons so far. But yeah, I guess this is it. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you thought of the video, and I'll see you on my next video. Mwah.